Hey loves, in today's video, I will show you how I created this spring-inspired pink butterfly nail art. On my thumb and pinky nails, I am applying the Your Sugar color gel in shade 80. It is the perfect hot pink color, so pretty. Since the formula is rather thin, it took 4 coats for a nice even color. Now I am applying one layer of the Aimeili No Wipe top coat. I love how shiny this makes my nails. These gorgeous pink butterfly water decals are from Amazon. I am applying a layer of the Model 1's base coat to seal in my decals so they won't move around when I apply my other products on top. To prep for my crystal application, I'm first applying a rather thick layer of the Gadget's Entrepot Rhinestone Glue Gel. And on top of that, I'm applying a layer of the Aimeili No Wipe top coat. I am using the Rose Peach and Rose Colored Crystals from Swarovski, available on Daily Charm. In addition to having different butterflies on each nail, I also did different crystal placements to make this set a little more fun. To complete my glass nail design, I am applying a thin layer of the Model 1's top coat underneath my nail. Here are my nails. They are so pretty. Pink is one of my favorite colors, and I had so much fun incorporating it into this set. Also, I really like the glass nail look as well. All of the products that I used will be available in the description. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!